Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss a new cue card. Describe a live sports match that you have watched. You should include the following points: what it was, when you watched it, where you watched it, give information about the event, and how you felt about it. Let's move to the answer. Our first point is what it was. Well, I have studied in a renowned school of my hometown, and the management of my school was extremely enthusiastic towards sports to ensure the holistic development of the students. Renowned word can be replaced with well known, famous, popular, prominent, or eminent. Holistic development stands for overall development, or you can also say multifaceted development. Therefore, they used to organize several sporting events at school, and the annual sports day of my school was quite famous in my hometown. Here I am going to talk about a sporting event of my own school which I watched and enjoyed very much. The second point is when you watched it. I can still recall that day when a cricket tournament was organized by our school authorities. It was about a couple of years ago. Recall means remember, to think of, or bring back. Whenever you want to say 2 months, 2 weeks, or 2 years, then replace it with a couple of. For example, 2 weeks means a couple of weeks, 2 years means a couple of years, 2 days means a couple of days. Instead of saying a couple of, you can mention any time. It could either be 2 years, 3 years, or even 5 years. The first sentence of this point is in the passive form to improve your grammatical range and accuracy. It was celebrated in the month of November to encourage students to take part in physical activities, as our principal believes that all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. I have used a proverb here: all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. It means that without time off from work, a person becomes both bored and boring. So it is compulsory to participate in physical activities also. The next point is where you watched it. Our school had a huge playground where all the students used to go for sports and exercise. It was the place where the tournament was going to be held, and the timing was from 10 am to 4 pm. Huge means very big. I was quite excited because my best friend also participated. He was the captain of our school's cricket team. Teams from other schools were also invited to take part in this tournament. Instead of saying excited, you can use other words like thrilled or delighted. You can use any word of your own choice. I reached there on time with my classmates. Since the parents were also invited, the ground was fully packed with the audience. Packed means full of. Instead of saying audience, you can use parents or people. Now we will give some information about the event, as our next point is explain the event. The match started sharp at 10. Fortunately, our school team won the toss and decided to bat first. During the match, everyone was busy cheering their teams, and I also raised slogans in favor of our school team. Moreover, I captured selfies with my friends. Fortunately means luckily. Cheering means encourage or raising someone's spirit. Raised slogans means to encourage someone with words. Captured means to click photographs. The next point is how you felt about it. I immensely enjoyed that sporting event as it was spectacular and breathtaking, and till the end, we didn't know who was going to win the match. Immensely means extremely, very much. Synonyms for spectacular and breathtaking is astonishing. At last, the suspense ended and our school team won the match by 20 runs. I was on cloud 9 as my friend became the man of the match. All in all, it was one of the best sporting events I have ever watched and enjoyed. To be on cloud 9 means to be extremely happy. Now we will discuss some important follow-up questions related to this cue card. Let's move to the questions. The first question is, do you prefer to watch live sports or watch them on TV? To be honest, I give more preference to watch sports on TV due to a flux of reasons. First of all, it is more convenient as I can watch it while sitting in the comfort zone. To give more preference can be replaced with I am keenly interested in, or I have a keen interest in, or I am into. Flux means many, several, a plethora of. Convenient means more comfortable. Moreover, it is cost effective. To illustrate, if I talk about national or international sports events, they cost hefty amounts of money to buy tickets. Cost effective means cheap, reasonable. Hefty amounts of money means it is very costly. Apart from it, we all are confronting a pandemic these days, so taking the current situation into account, it is not incorrect to say that watching matches at home is safer rather than going outside to watch a live sports match. Confront means to face. To take something into account is an idiom that means to consider or remember something when judging a situation. The second question is, why do some people like to watch live sports? Well, it is really difficult to answer because reasons may vary for different people, but I think the major reason is a thrilling experience. When people go to watch live matches, they enjoy it more. Vary means differ, thrilling means exciting. Secondly, some people are more enthusiastic about sports, so they want to encourage their team by raising slogans. Also, some want to grab a chance to take the autographs of their favorite sports persons. Synonyms for enthusiastic are passionate, eager, or keen, and for encourage, you can use motivate or inspire. Grab means seize, grasp, or take. Furthermore, by visiting such places, individuals get a chance to spend quality time either with their family or friends. So, these are some reasons why a few prefer to watch live sporting events. The third question is, what kind of sports do Indian people like to watch? I would say that citizens of India are frenzy about sports. They watch and play several sports in their leisure time. To begin with, cricket is tremendously famous in India. Frenzy means to have an uncontrolled excitement. Tremendously means extremely, largely, excessively. It is played with full energy, and people even love to watch the World Cup and IPL matches. They eagerly wait for such tournaments. Also, hockey is popular as it is the national game of India. Eagerly means to have a strong desire. Apart from it, kabaddi, football, basketball, baseball, tennis, and badminton are also famous among the people of India. The next question is, do you think competition is good for students? Well, it depends. I believe competition is just like a double edged sword, so it can have both positive or negative outcomes. We use double edged sword when there can be two outcomes or results. On the one hand, healthy competition encourages children to work hard and do their best. There is stiff competition in every field nowadays, so it will prepare them for the future. Stiff means tough or hard. On the contrary, if students are not guided properly, they can fall prey to depression and inferior complex. So, it is significant to teach children about competing only to improve their skills and not only to win. Fall prey means to be harmed, significant means indispensable, important, vital, or essential. If you find this video informative, please like and share and stay tuned for many more videos.